it's your girl Bling Pretty back with another freaking video, and today we're going to get into a brow tutorial because a lot of y'all been asking like, Lay, when you gonna do the eyebrow tutorial? Lay, we've been waiting. Lay, that should have been your first video, and blah 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 blah. But I promise y'all I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want because y'all been asking for it. Now I'm not gonna talk y'all heads off to death, like I'm not even gonna do all that and make it a long video. But first, before we even get into this look, I want you to hit that subscribe button because I know you're gonna want to see some more, because I'm gonna give you what you want. But anyways, I'm ready. Are you ready? We ready? Okay guys, first you're gonna want to get a spoolie. That's what I call it. I don't know the real name for it, but that's what it is. And then you want to get an angle brush, a very small angle brush. Then you're gonna want to grab the dip pomade, or if you use the eyebrow pencil, whatever works best for you. I use the pomade from Anastasia, I think that's how you say it. And this is very, very cheap, y'all. Like, I get LA Pro concealer from any hair store. It's very affordable. Then you want to get a flat rounded brush like this one here. Okay guys, you're going to want to brush your brows into the way that your hair grows so that you can get an easy application going on. Take your angle brush, dip it into the pomade, but try not to put too much product on the brush because it'll be easier to apply on your brow. Now, and you want to start at the very, very like middle bottom line. And this way it can be a little past it, but you don't have to. Like, it depends on the shape of your nose, but I ain't gonna get into all that. Just, you know, stick to like the very last part of the brow in the middle. And then I'm basically just doing light strokes. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did at the bottom to the top, but I'm not gonna go all the way to the middle. I'm gonna start a little past it. And then again, I'm gonna apply very, very light strokes while I'm creating that arch that I want. And then once you fill in that that very, very top line, you're gonna want to fill in the middle of the brow with very light strokes because you don't want really, really dark brows. It's gonna look crazy. And you see how I'm not going so far into the middle of the brow when I'm filling it in? You want to leave that space open or free of makeup. You want to leave that space free of makeup because you're gonna take your spoolie to brush that in an upward motion. So that it can kind of create that, like, you know, that little faded look, because you don't want block looking brows. Like, that's not cute. And then I'm just going back in with a little more product to make sure I get my brow looking how I want it, you know. Yeah. Like I said, y'all, in one of my previous videos, I do have OCD, so just ignore me trying to like get this achieved look going on. It's a habit, baby. It's a habit. But I'm gonna go on to the next brow though. Once you apply the concealer, it's gonna clean up those brows to perfection. Almost. And now you have filled in brows, baby. You want to take your flat rounded brush and your LA Pro concealer. Get it ready and apply little product on your flat brush. Like I said, same thing with filling in your brows. You don't have to apply so much product, especially if you're just doing like a simple look or whatever, or if you don't want to just do your whole face, you just want to do your brows and put on some lip gloss. Don't forget to close your pomade, baby, because when it dries out, honey, it dries out. Okay, so basically with this technique, I lift where my arch of the brow is, and that way, as close as I can get to the brow, the bottom part of the brow, I'm gonna start a little pass where I put the product, and I'm gonna do this in light strokes also. And all I'm doing is following the shape of the brow in light strokes. Don't try to rush this part, y'all. For your the bottom part of your brows, you're going to want to use a tone lighter than your skin tone to conceal the bottom part only of your brows. I use the same concealer, the same color for my top brow as I did for my bottom, just because, I don't know, I've been easy blending it out. Sorry, my brow is itching. You can't scratch it. Okay, and just like you did before, you're going to want to take your spoolie and brush the middle inside of your brows in an upward motion so you can achieve that faded out look again. That way they look more natural. I really, oh my gosh, like really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did. If you really support Bling Pretty, please share, y'all. Like, it means a lot to me when y'all share all my videos. Like, it's very important to me. But like I said, I love y'all, bro. Like, keep doing what you're doing. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. Like, I really appreciate it and everything. And there will be more content soon, so stay tuned.